Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone update stuck on pause and resume download in iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Connect your Wi-Fi. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. Connect your Wi-Fi. Solution number 2. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Enable airplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Solution number 3. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset all settings. Again reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 4. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the volume down button. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the home button. Thanks for watching this video.